lesson 1 course. Today on meeting 2, we are going to continue our lesson about TOEFL. Still, we'll discuss about listening. Before we start, I just want to flashback last meeting 1. You have learned and I do believe that you have finished your practice about listening. Okay. Yeah, in listening section, of course, you must focus on the second line or second person. Remember class, listening section, listening comprehension consists of 15 number questions divided into 3 parts. Part 1, short conversation. Part 2, long conversation. And part 3, thoughts. So, today, our focus on the short conversation. Short conversation, there are 2 persons plus 1 narrator. 2 persons consist of man and woman. Woman and man plus the narrator. And you must focus on the second person or second line. Perhaps some of you already familiar with this question from narrator. For example, what does the woman mean? What does the man mean? Those examples always you find in every single question in TOEFL listening section, no matter how. Okay? Meeting 1 last week, you have learned about listening. Remember class, meeting 1, focus on the second line. I give you example. Can you tell me if today's maintenance is comedy, romance, or western? That's from the man, yeah? That's from the man. The man give a question to the woman. Can you tell me if today's maintenance is comedy, romance, or western? And then the woman responds to the man, I have no idea. Then narrator continue, give the question, what does the woman mean? So you have to think about that. I have no idea. What probably spoken by the second person in this case? Yeah? Can you tell me if today's maintenance is comedy, romance, or western? I have no idea. So you must think quick, fast. I have no idea. And the option might appear on your mind. Oh, she has a strong idea about movie. Or she prefers comedies over western and romances. Or she doesn't like today's maintenance. Or she doesn't know at all. So what do you think, class? Can you tell me if today's math is comedy, romance, or western? I have no idea. What does the woman mean? Remember, listening comprehension, number 1 until number 30, focus on the second line. Okay? So, if the woman, as the second speaker or second line, say, I have no idea, it means that she doesn't know at all about the movie. She doesn't know. She didn't know whether comedy, romance, or western. So, the best answer for number 1 question, for example, that I gave to you, can you tell me if today's maintenance is comedy, romance, or western? I have no idea. It means that the woman doesn't know at all. Okay? Alright, another example. Another example on meeting with TOEFL, preparation 1 today, is negative. In this case, you must understand about the term of the negative expression. Negative expressions are very common in the short dialogue. And the most common kind of the correct response to negative statement is a positive statement. Remember class, if you found some statement in negative on the second person, then you have to look for the answer or the response in positive statement. Negative in the statement first, then positive on the second term. Okay, for example, how did they get to their grandmother's house in Maine in only 5 hours? The woman say or respond, they didn't drive slowly on the trip to Maine. They didn't drive slowly. So it means that the clue didn't slowly. Didn't negative, is it right? Didn't consists of did plus not and plus the adverb slowly. So in this case, this is negative expression. And then how to get to know the answer anyway? you must look for the positive statement in the option given. Okay, I repeat. If the statement negative, then you have to look for the option for positive one. So, from this case, they didn't drive slowly. It means that you can assume that, oh, this woman or the man will drive a car fast, quick. Isn't it? Yeah? Okay, and the question will appear, what does the woman say about the trip? What does the woman say about the trip? The woman said at the time, they didn't drive slowly. Didn't slowly. So we can assume that, oh, this trip will be taken by drive car fast. Okay, let's have a look to the option. Okay, they couldn't have driven more slowly. They want to drive slowly to many. They didn't drive to many. And of course, option B, C, and D contradiction and is not correct yet. So the best option from the woman's statement, they didn't drive slowly. It means that they drove rather quickly. Okay, so if the statement negative, you must look for the positive answer in the option given. Okay, so today in meeting 2, you are going to learn to listen to the audio, of course, and try to complete your exercise. It's about negative expression. I repeat, if the statement man, woman, spelled on the second person, give in negative term, then you must move your attention to look for the positive statement in the option given. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Good luck for your practice meeting 2. Thank you.